In the Rapid Diagnostics Centre, up on level 4, we've got our Therapies services. Our therapists are very experienced and compassionate and really have time to spend with patients to assess them and really develop personalised treatment plans.
I do specialist work rehabilitating the pelvic floor muscles and the abdominal muscles. The majority of our patients are patients who are having some kind of pelvic floor dysfunction, often suffering with urinary incontinence, prolapse, trouble emptying the bladder, constipation. Physiotherapy is usually the first line of treatment for a lot of these conditions. It makes a huge difference to symptom management, getting people back on their feet. And then patients have access to us to book follow-ups, not with 3 months waiting lists.
We offer prospective lymphedema surveillance for patients who are at risk of breast cancer-related lymphedema, and that is quite commonly following some cancer treatments. With the technologies we have available, we can detect what we call subclinical lymphedema. That's a very early stage of lymphatic dysfunction and help to minimize the risk of the development of more advanced lymphedema and also improve someone's overall quality of life.
The clinical Pilates reformer service is based around those key Pilates principles of breathing control, centering and posture. So we're offering a rehabilitation service and a prehabilitation service to patients who are maybe going to be having surgery or have had surgery, or perhaps they're just recovering from an injury, or also patients with chronic healthcare conditions that maybe just need some long-term exercise management for that condition.
So the really great thing is how fast things move from diagnosis to treatment planning to outcome. It moves so fast that people often don't have the time and space to actually reflect on what's happened and process the emotional and psychological and existential pieces of that. So it's really helpful sometimes to have a space where you can go to and talk with someone to give an outside perspective, someone to talk about things that are hard to talk about with the people that know you well.
Therapies is key to meeting the clinic's values. We provide that holistic wraparound care, and the Rapid Diagnostics Centre lets us do it in the right place and at the right time.